what's up, guys? We're here on a big tree. I'll show you here in a second. Check out this tree. This thing is massive. The camera really doesn't do this thing justice. Hey Taylor, go stand by that tree and hold your arms out for some reference of how big this tree is. Go stand in front of it and hold your arms out. There you go.
And that's with the 6'4" arm span.
So we got a massive locust tree. I'm pretty sure this is the largest locust tree I have ever seen. This is pretty phenomenal for my area anyway. Our locust trees don't get that big. They normally get fungus and rot out and fall over and have all sorts of issues. So for them to get this large is pretty amazing. The issue they're having is a lot of large limbs have broken out there in the house, you know. So they're afraid of the tree now and they want it gone. So we're gonna make that happen. It's also busting up the sidewalk. The sidewalk is destroyed right here from it. So phenomenal tree. Wish I didn't have to take it down, but that's what we're gonna make happen today. Yep. Hey, get out of there. Update on the tree. We've got a lot of it down here. We've got almost a third of it down. Got to take all that stuff out yet, and then we got to get all this stuff over here. That kind of goes out over this house. So we've got the Stihl RCW 3001 we're going to use to lower this stuff. Pretty good, heavy duty. We use a porta wrap a lot, but this one's just a little bit heavier duty than the porta wrap, so that's what we're going to use for this because it's some big Man, it's all rotten up here. I can't get a hold of anything. Man, this thing's just falling apart right here. Set that down right on the sidewalk where I can bomb everything else without getting that sidewalk.
What's that little thing?
Camera.
Oh.
People like to watch it.
Oh.
Yep, yep. Right where we wanted her.